Hello and welcome, Steven here. Today I'll show you how to jailbreak your Amazon Fire TV stick. Without any further ado, the first thing you need to get is the app code downloader, which you can download from the Amazon App Store. So just go to App Store, then go to search, and type downloader here. As you can see, it already popped out at the very bottom. However, if it didn't, then just type in the whole name of the app. So that's how you do it. Then select the app itself, open it here and make sure you download it. Next thing you want to do is go to settings, then select My Fire TV. And here you'll need to use the developer options to allow the downloader app to install unknown apps from the internet. However, if you do not see the developer options here, then first of all go to About, select Fire TV Stick and press on your select button for 7 times. As you can see at the bottom it says no need, you're already a developer. However, in your case it's going to say that you are a developer now. Then go back a bit and you'll see the developer options here. So once again just press on Install Unknown Apps and turn the option on for the downloader. Then go back to Home and select the downloader app. Then we'll need to enter a link to download the TroyPoint app. So here's a link we'll be using, which is troypoint.com/tp-app. Then press on Go. And now we are downloading an app. Click Install here in the right bottom corner. So we got a TroyPoint app here, but before using it, we got to use the settings once again. So go to Settings, select My Fire TV, go to Developer Options, Install Unknown Apps, and make sure that installing unknown apps is available for your TroyPoint app. So turn it on and let's go back to Home again. Now select the TroyPoint app which we just downloaded. Now press on the Rapid App Installer. Now just scroll down and you'll see lots and lots of apps such as Kodi, Unlinked, Streamio, Aptoid, and lots of other streaming services and different app stores. So that's how you jailbreak your Amazon Fire TV Stick in 2022. If the video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button and of course subscribe my channel for more tutorials on your Fire TV devices.